This is my Kero-Sun Radiant 10 kerosene heater. I've just lit it, and you might be able to tell that the spring dealie is just starting to glow. It's probably been lit for 2 minutes now. It's still not completely warmed up. Take another few minutes and then I'll have to turn it down so it doesn't flame up too high. Got the windows open while it's starting, and then I'll close them a little bit so that I don't let so much cold air in, but yet I give a supply of oxygen to the heater so I don't asphyxiate myself. I've got a carbon monoxide detector to monitor those levels. Sometimes I get it so that it doesn't go up at all. Other times it keeps on creeping up to the low teens. I think 14 is the highest I've found it. That's ppm. Heater was one of my auction buys. Apparently the Radiant 10 was a big seller. I see them on eBay quite often for a lot more than I paid for mine. Mine was 20 bucks plus auction fees from a local auction. I didn't know anything about it when I was bidding. I was glad it ended up being a good unit.